Welcome to this video where you will learn 100 essential German sentences. Isn't it exciting? So in this video, if you are a beginner or you want to refresh your skills, this is for you. Because from introduction, greetings to shopping, travel, and day-to-day life activities, conversation, everything we have got you covered. So without wasting any time, we'll start with the video. I will share one screen with you and then you will be able to know these sentences. So repeat it, then practice it whenever you have time. I will share one screen. So actually, I have grouped these sentences, 100 sentences according to certain theme. Okay. Under that theme, all these related phrases or sentences will come. First, I will tell you German phrase and then its English meaning. So first one is hello. Hello is hello. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Tag. Good day. Guten Abend. Good evening. Gute Nacht. Good night. Wie geht es dir? How are you? Mir geht es gut. I am fine. This is actually in response to that earlier sentence or earlier question. You can say, wie geht es dir? Then comes Danke schön, meaning thank you very much. Bitte schön, you are welcome. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Now, next set of phrases is introducing yourself. This is very, very important. If you are preparing for Goethe A1 exam, so then there will be one segment of introducing yourself. So in this, first one is Ich heiße Anna. My name is Anna. This is the way of telling your name in German. Wie heißt du? Meaning, what is your name? Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. Ich komme aus Indien. Woher kommst du? Where are you from? Ich wohne in Berlin. I live in Berlin. Wie alt bist du? If you ask someone, how old are you? That person will tell, Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. I am 25 years old. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. Ich bin Student. I'm a student. Ich arbeite hier. I work here. Arbeite is work. Now, next set of sentences or phrases are regarding daily conversation. Was machst du? What are you doing? Ich lese ein Buch. I'm reading a book. Ich gehe zur Arbeit. I go to work. Ich gehe nach Hause. I go home. Wann kommst du? When are you coming? Ich komme später. I will come later. Ich verstehe nicht. I do not understand. Kannst du das wiederholen? Wiederholen is to repeat. Can you repeat that? Bitte sprechen Sie langsam. Please speak slowly. Was bedeutet das? What does that mean? Now, this set of phrases are regarding restaurant, food and restaurant. Very, very important topic, right? So first one in this is, Ich habe Hunger. I am hungry. Ich habe Durst. I am thirsty. Die Speisekarte bitte. The menu card, please. The menu, please. If you go to any restaurant. Speisekarte is menu card. Basically, Karte is card in German. Ich möchte bestellen. I would like to order. Bestellen is to order. Ich nehme eine Kaffee. I will take a coffee. Das schmeckt gut. That tastes good. Die Rechnung bitte. The bill, please. Rechnung is bill. Zahlen bitte. Please bring the bill. I want to pay. Zahlen bitte. Is das sharp? Is it spicy? Sharp is spicy. Ich möchte Wasser. I would like water. Now the next one. This set is regarding shopping. Again, very interesting topic, right? We feel costed das. How much does it cost? Das ist teuer. That is expensive. Teuer is expensive. Das ist billig. That is cheap. Billig is cheap. Haben Sie das in groß? Do you have this in large? Ich kaufe das. I will buy that. Haben Sie etwas anderes? Do you have something else if you go for shopping and if you want something specific, then you can ask about this. Ich suche ein Geschenk. I'm looking for a gift. Kann ich mit Karte zahlen? Can I pay by card? Earlier we have seen Karte is card. Haben Sie Wechselgeld? Meaning do you have change? Geld is money, but Wechselgeld meaning change. Ich nehme 2 davon. I will take 2 of them. Now the next one is regarding asking for directions. Again, this is very important. If you are new to Germany and if you are traveling there, so this set of phrases is very, very important. Wo ist die Toilette? Meaning where is the toilet? Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? Wo ist die Bushaltestelle? Where is the bus stop? Können Sie mir helfen? Can you help me? Gehen Sie geradeaus. Go straight. Biegen Sie links ab. Turn left. Biegen Sie rechts ab, meaning turn right. Es ist in der Nähe. It is nearby. Nähe is nearby. Es ist weit. It is far. Ich habe mich verlaufen. I'm lost. Now next set is regarding at work or school. Again, it is very important. If you are studying there in Germany or if you are working there, these phrases are really important. Ich arbeite heute. I work today. Ich habe viel Arbeit. I have a lot of work. Ich bin beschäftigt, meaning I'm busy. Ich habe eine Frage. I have a question. Können Sie mir helfen? Can you help me? Ich verstehe die Aufgabe. I understand the task. Aufgabe is task. Ich habe Hausaufgaben. I have homework. Der Unterricht beginnt. The class begins. Unterricht is class. Der Unterricht ist vorbei. The class is over. Ich lerne Deutsch jeden Tag. I learn German every day. Now talking about time. There is a separate video on my channel about time. Okay, how to read a clock or how to tell time. So I'll give link in the description box. You can go and watch. It is really, really very important because you will be able to tell the time. Suppose someone asks you, and basically time is very important. So you have to learn that in German. So in this first one is, wie spät ist das? Meaning what time is it? Actually, this is the way of asking time in German. Wie spät ist es? What time is it? Es ist 1 Uhr. It is 1 o'clock. Es ist 1:30. It is 1:30. The next number you have to take. 1:30. Es ist 3:15. It is 3:15. Es ist Viertel vor 4. It is quarter to 4. Ich komme 5 Uhr. I come at 5 o'clock. Heute ist Montag. Today is Monday. Heute ist today. Morgen ist Dienstag. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Heute habe ich Zeit. I have time today. Ich habe keine Zeit. I have no time. Now, there are some useful everyday sentences. So I have grouped them in two sections because there are 20 useful everyday sentences. So I have grouped in 10. Now, in this first one is Ich bin müde. I am tired. Ich bin glücklich. I am happy. Ich bin traurig. I am sad. Ich mag Kaffee. I like coffee. Ich mag Musik. I like music. Ich spiele Fußball. I play football. Ich gehe spazieren. I go for a walk. Ich sehe Fern. I watch TV. Ich koche gern. I like cooking. Ich schlafe jetzt. I sleep now. Now, next set of sentences, again useful everyday sentences. Was machst du heute? What are you doing today? Heute is today. Ich bleibe zu Hause. I stay at home. Kommst du mit? Are you coming with me? Ja, gern. Yes, gladly. Or you can say, nein, danke. No, thank you. Vielleicht später, maybe later. Vielleicht is maybe. So there is a short series on my channel called One Word at a Time. In that, you will find lot of words. Okay. So your vocabulary will get increased. You can go and watch. I will give the link in the description box. Now, next one is, das ist eine gute Idee. That is a good idea. Gute Idee. Ich stimme zu. I agree. Bis später. See you later. Or you can say bis morgen, meaning see you tomorrow. Morgen is tomorrow. So this is all about 100 German sentences. So I hope this is clear with you. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So I come up with exam related videos as well as this beginner kind of videos. So, okay friends, thank you and bye-bye.